Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is inspired by the very viral and very stupid Tide Pod challenge. I saw, obviously, if you've been living under a rock, you don't know what I'm talking about, but when I saw this was floating around, I decided to take some makeup inspo from this stupid challenge and very, very dangerous challenge. Disclaimer, this is not encouraging or condoning you eating a Tide Pod. Thanks. But yeah, so I thought I'd take some makeup inspo and create a makeup look that kind of reminds me of the Tide Pod challenge, or just the Tide Pod in general. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Also, don't forget that if you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do try to put out videos 3 times a week, but lately it's more just been like a weekly thing. So yes, also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Once again, this is not condoning or encouraging you to eat a Tide Pod. Thanks. That's all. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So first off, I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Pukey, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. Next, I'm going into the Sephora Editorial palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. I don't have the name of it for some reason. I don't know where my slip went, but it's just the bright orange shade. I'm going to start that into my crease. Next, I'm going to take concealer on a small detailed brush, and I'm going to cut that crease. The way that I cut my crease, I actually got the idea from Nicole Guerrero. I use her technique, and I draw a line on my lid towards the bottom with the concealer, and then I look up a couple and look back and forth while looking up a couple times, and wherever the line leaves a, wherever the line transfers is where I cut my crease. And then I like to just blend out right at the edge, because I'm going to put another color at the end. So going back into the Sephora Pro palette, I'm going to take this white shade right here, and I'm going to press that into the inner corner about 1/3 of the way. Going into the shimmer blue and putting that into the middle third. Then going back in with the crease brush and just blending Next, I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so I finished off the rest of my face and my eyes. I put some glitter on top of the white just to give it a pop and make it look more kind of cohesive. I put some falsies on, eyeliner, foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, blush. I did everything else. The only thing I haven't done is my under eye and my lips, so I'm going to do that with you. Everything that I use will be linked down below, so don't worry, everything will be down there. But I'm going to take this matte blue and I'm going to run that along my waterline, along the inner part of my waterline. And then along the outside, I'm going to take the black shade in this palette. Next, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade and coat my bottom lashes. Next, I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs liner and line my waterline. Okay, now for a lippy. I feel like because this is a bold look that we should do a kind of subtle lip. What that would be, I have no idea. So for lip liner, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Color Riche Matte in Matting Call. And then for lippy, I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Aquarius by Kathleen Lights. And then I'm going to go over the top of it with this pink gloss. This is actually more just clear. It doesn't actually look this pink, so I'm just going to go over top of it with this. And then I'm going to hit it with some setting spray. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do remember that this is not in any way, shape, or form encouraging you to eat a Tide Pod. This was all just in good fun for the tube. So yeah, please don't eat Tide Pods. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a red bar down below. It says subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And I think that's it. So as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.